So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Watch microphone not working problem. So our first solution is check basic settings. So you have to restart your Apple Watch. To restart your Apple Watch, hold down this power button, and here you get this power icon. Tap on that and slide this button to this right hand side, and then your Apple Watch will be turned off. And after that, turn your Apple Watch back on, and then go ahead and check your microphone working or not, and then press the power button again. And here, if you turn on the airplane mode, make sure to turn off the airplane mode. So then go ahead and check the issue. And the second solution is test the microphone. Open the voice memos app on your Apple Watch, and then tap on this record button. And now go ahead and record your voice, and then tap on stop, and then play it back. If you hear nothing, the mic isn't working, and if it's faint, your mic may be blocked. So that's how you can check your microphone working or not. And the third solution is clean the microphone. So locate the microphone hole. So under this crown we can see a little hole. So this is the microphone hole. All you have to need, clean gently with a soft brush or dry cloth. No liquids, no sharp objects. And then after cleaning the microphone hole, go ahead and check your microphone working or not. And our next solution is update and reset settings. So update both your iPhone and Apple Watch to the latest software. To do that, press the crown to go to your app library and open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and tap on general, tap on software update, and here if you see any new update available, just go ahead and install the update on your Apple Watch and then check the issue. If still not working your microphone, then unpair and repair Apple Watch with your iPhone. This resets settings but keeps your data. And if none of these fixes help, it may be a hardware issue, water damage, dust, or faulty mic. You will need to contact Apple support or book a Genius Bar appointment. Thanks for watching.